So good morning students, welcome back to S.R.Tutorial. Okay, so today I am going to discuss depreciation accounting under annuity method. Okay, so I have taken a sum. Okay, you just see a company has acquired a lease of a cinema building. Okay, so in depreciation accounting under annuity method, okay, an asset is taken on lease, okay, for a term of 5 years. Lease means what? Rented property, okay, by payment of rupees 50,000. Okay, so by paying 50,000, the company has taken the cinema building on lease. Okay, so here the asset is not purchased, it is taken on rent by payment of rupees 50,000. So here 50,000 is an investment. Okay, and we know against any investment made, okay, there is an interest earned by the business. Okay, against any investment made there is an interest earned by the business. Okay, so it is proposed to depreciate the lease by the annuity method charging 5% per annum. Okay, so here 5% per annum is charged. Okay, show the ledger account of the asset during the period of the lease. You have to show the ledger account of the asset. Okay, so reference to the annuity table shows that the amount for rupee 1 for 5 years at 5% is rupee this much. Okay, this is less than 1. This amount is less than 1. Calculations are to be made to the nearest rupee. Okay, so you have to prepare the lease account. Okay, so before going to the lease account, let us do some working note. Okay, so here you see calculation for depreciation amount. Okay, so acquiring price of the lease is how much? Rupees 50,000. So since rupee 1 for 5 years at 5% is rupees 0.230975. Okay, therefore at 50,000 investment for 5 years at 5% it will be 50,000 into this amount. Okay, so amount of depreciation will be 11549. So here annuity method is used to calculate the amount of depreciation. It is said that for rupee 1 against 5 years at 5%, okay, rate of interest, this is the amount. So at 50,000 investment, what will be the amount of depreciation? So this is the amount of depreciation. Got it? Now come to the account. Here you see the lease account is prepared under annuity method. So first of all, for taking the lease, okay, you have to this one lease account or asset account to bank account 50,000. Okay, as I have done the sums under straight line method and diminishing balance method, same entry. Okay, then for depreciation, okay, by depreciation account, this will be the amount as it is done in the working note 11,549. Now interest is charged. Okay, in lease account under annuity method, investment is made and we know against every investment there is an interest. So interest at the rate how much? At 5%. So 5% on 50,000, because 50,000 is the investment value for the first year. So 2,500 is the amount. The balancing is done. Okay, it is brought down. Again the next year depreciation is charged. Okay, again interest is calculated. Now interest will be calculated on this amount 40,951, because this is the value of asset for the second year. Okay, so into 5 by 100 this amount is obtained. Then again for the third year, okay, again for the third year the balancing is done and it is brought down. Okay, again depreciation is charged and again interest is calculated on the what? On the balancing figure, that is the value of asset. Okay, so this amount is obtained. Again for the fourth year, again for the fourth year the same formula is applied. okay, the balance is brought down and depreciation is charged. Again, interest is calculated on this amount, okay, into 5% interest, so 5 by 100. So balancing is done, okay. Again, the balance is brought down and depreciation is calculated. So again, interest is charged, okay. So interest, okay, on this value, the value of asset, okay, 10,999. If interest is charged, it is 550, okay. So if you total it up, okay, you will get 11,549, which is the amount of depreciation for the fifth year, okay. So both the sides, debit side and credit side, are equal. So if it is equal, that means your lease account under annuity method is correct, okay. You just see here, okay. So this is how the lease account is done, okay. So debit side and credit side must be equal, okay. So I hope you have understood this sum, okay. So if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, okay. And if you have any doubts regarding any point, okay, please mention in the comment section, okay. Thank you.